This is the way you want to cook. You want people to say, oh, I want that recipe. It's all about side dishes for the holidays. Hello everyone, this is Fran. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making an outstanding side dish of glazed carrots. Okay, I'm just going to use a round baking dish because it's all I have. I can't find any of my casserole dishes. My husband sometimes puts up my dishes. And I love them very much, but then I have to hunt them down, which is fine. And it's so sweet and kind, but then I can't find them. So we're gonna go ahead and cut our carrots off the ends. Just kind of scrape them down just a little. This does entail a little work. To go ahead and spray our casserole dish with just regular vegetable oil. And we're going to sprinkle in a little bit of just regular granulated sugar, probably about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. We're going to take our onion that I've already washed and cut up, it's the red onion, and we're going to line it. Oh, this smells so good. We're going to cut these at an angle. And we're just going to put them right in the dish, kind of layer it right in the dish, just like that. The very top, I just cut a little extra because they're thicker. Okay. Then we're going to line a little bit of sugar, just like that. And then we're going to take a tablespoon of brown sugar and just kind of go around just like that. And then we're going to take a teaspoon of salt and just kind of just like that. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of butter, probably about 2 tablespoons, and we're just going to kind of break it up. Just like that. Now we're going to put the rest of my onion in. We're going to do another layer of the red onion because it is sweeter. Okay, just like that. A little bit of sugar on top. I think I'll just go ahead and spray a little bit of regular vegetable oil. Then we're going to do another layer of our carrots. This is a very rustic looking dish. Go in. We're going to go ahead and spray on a little bit of not olive oil, but we're going to go ahead and spray on cooking oil. A little bit of sugar, just like that. Another tablespoon of brown sugar. Just like that. And just a little bit, probably a half a teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and add the other 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so we're gonna cook this at 425 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. And we're gonna just leave it like that, and they are going to be delicious. This is just what I had left over in the refrigerator, and this makes a delicious side dish. Simple, easy, inexpensive, and delicious. Guys, those carrots, my kitchen smells absolutely amazing. You can smell that onion. It's making those carrots have so much flavor. One of the best recipes you can make. Look at those carrots. Oh my gosh, those red onion cooked down. Those carrots, guys, you gotta make this side dish. You're going to love it. See, look at those onions. Oh my goodness. What person would not love this as a side dish? Look at those onions. They don't look red, but I needed to cook them. They look so good. They look good all on their own. I could just make a meal out of those. Look at that carrot. Oh, they're piping hot. I should have probably waited till they cooled, but it's hard for me. Oh my gosh. People can go crazy. If you make this as your side dish, people are going to go crazy. They're going to be like, I want that recipe. Carrot and that onion makes the best side dish. It's sweet, but not too sweet. Oh my goodness, you guys gotta make this. This is probably my favorite side dish, and I don't even like carrots.